Good morning, students. Welcome back to your e-learning classroom. My dear students, already maths classes are going on, and all of you are doing your classwork and homework. Now, I have completed the chapter perimeter also. So many sums I have explained and given to do in your classwork and homework. Many of the students are doing their work, but some of the students they are not doing work according to the process. They are not following the process again and again. So many reminders I have given to you to follow the process, follow the rules, draw the diagram, write each and every units, but they are not following that one. So once again, I am reminding you to please follow the process, then you will complete your work. It is must for you. Now, all of you are in the learning stage, and learning in proper way is must for you. So don't skip the steps. Every steps is necessary for your learning, for best learning, and for achieving good marks. This learning will make you perfect in your work. So once again, I am going to give you so many class exercises, so many sums, and all of you will do it with the process. My dear student, last day I had given you worksheet 3 to do yourself. I think all of you have completed this worksheet. Today, I am going to give you the answers of all questions in different slides. So please, students, all of you will see the slides and you match the work with your copy. Wherever you are skipping the steps, note down it, do it properly, and then we will start the next work. Dear kids, once again I am going to recall you about the perimeter. Whatever I discussed in the earlier classes. So as you know, perimeter can be defined as the path or the boundary that surrounds a shape. Means whatever shape is there, and what if you are measuring the boundary of that shape, that is called the perimeter. It can also be defined as the length of the outline of a shape. Whatever the length of that shape is called the perimeter. In another word, you can say that the total length of any outer length, boundary length is the perimeter. Suppose this shape is the triangle, then sides of sums of sides of all the sides is perimeter, and you can denote it by S is equal to A plus B plus C. Here A, B, C are the sides of a triangle. Suppose there is the shape of a square. So you can say that perimeter is equal to 4A. 4A means there are 4 sides in a square. So you have written here 4, and A is denoting the length of the side. Next one, rectangle. It means it's a shape of rectangular. Then there are lengths and widths. In another way, you can say that breadth also. So P is equal to, P is denoting here perimeter 2 into L plus W. So you add length and width and you multiply it by 2, then you will get the whole length of that rectangle. In other words, you can see the perimeter of the rectangle. Here L letter is denoting length and letter W is denoting width. This is the synopsis of the perimeter. Next, we will start the worksheet 3. All the chapter, all the sums I have given in the slide. Once again, I am going to discuss about it with you. Now, worksheet 3. Question A. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So according to the question, first you draw the rectangle. This is your rectangle in which front sides are equal. Earlier I have discussed about it, and its length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So you write here length of the field is 12 centimeter, breadth of the field is 8 centimeter. Now you find out the perimeter. As you know, perimeter of the rectangle is 2L plus 2B. So 2L means 2 into 12 centimeter plus 2 into 8 centimeter. It's because its measurement is given here. So you have to write the same measurement according to the formula. Next, 2 into 12, that is equal to 20 centimeter and 16 centimeter. You add and you are getting here 40 centimeter. So you can see the perimeter of the field is 40 centimeter. So once again, my dear student, this all are the steps of this sum. First step, to draw the diagram, then write down the measurement of the length, next breadth of the field, then find out the perimeter, write the formula, and then put the measurement according to the given questions. Next, this is the process, and then you write the final answer. These all are the steps of this sums. So don't escape the sums. You follow the whole process, and with this process you have to solve your sums. Now next question. Now next question. Calculate the perimeter of a square whose sides are given here. So question is here square. So I have drawn here square. As you know, all the sides of the squares are equal. So the measurement of all the sides are equal. You can see it in this picture. Next, write down each sides of the square is 6 centimeter. So perimeter of the square is 4 into side, that is 4 into 6 centimeter, that is 24 centimeter. So in answers column, you have to write here the perimeter of the square is the 24 centimeter. Next, measurement is given here 11 meter. So you draw this square and write down the measurement. Now, next step, write down each side of the square is 11 meter and perimeter of the square is 4 into sides. So that is 4 into 11 meter and 44 meter. So you can say that here the perimeter of the square is 44 meter. Next question, third, 26 centimeter. So you draw the square, write down the measurement, and now down here each side of the square is 26 centimeter. So perimeter of the square is 4 into sides, 4 into 26 centimeter, that is equal to 104 meter. So here The perimeter of the square is 104 centimeter. In this way, you can solve your sums. Now, next, the length of three sides of a triangle are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Find the perimeter. So first you draw the triangle and write down the measurement here. First side 6 centimeter, second side 8 centimeter and third side 10 centimeter. So next, measurement of first side 6 centimeter, second side 8 centimeter and third side 10 centimeter. So perimeter of a triangle is sum of three sides, that is 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter, that is equal to 24 centimeter. So in answers column you can write the perimeter of a triangle is 24 centimeter. Students, my next question D is, a boy runs around a rectangular field and the length of which is 35 meter and the breadth is 20 meter. How much distance will he run? Students, first you draw the picture of the rectangular field. This is your rectangular field and length is 35 meter and breadth is 20 meter. So first you write the length of the field 35 meter, breadth of the field 20 meter. Now a boy is running around this rectangular field, means he is running around the boundary of this field. So you will have to first find out the perimeter of the field. So perimeter of the field is 2L plus 2B, yani means 2 into 35 meter plus 2 into 20 meter, that is 70 meter and 40 meter, that is equal to 110 meter. So the total length of this rectangular field is 110 meter. So in answers column you can write that the boy will run the distance of 110 meter. So my dear students, I think all the concept is clear to you now. Students, your next question is, Sheila wants to fix a ribbon along the border of the painting. If the length and breadth of the painting are 36 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively, how much ribbon is required by Sheila? So this is your rectangular painting whose length is 36 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter. Now Sheila wants to fix a ribbon. I think all of you know about the ribbon and she wants to fix the ribbon along this side. So how much ribbon is needed by Sheila? Around the border, it means you have to find out the total length of the painting. So you can say that perimeter of the painting is 2L plus 2B. It means 2 into 36 centimeter plus 2 into 15 centimeter. That is 72 centimeter and 30 centimeter, which is equal to 102 centimeter. So in answer is, the ribbon required by Sheila is 102 centimeter. So in another word, you can say that 102 centimeter ribbon is required to fix around this rectangular paintings. Next question is, Raju has to frame a square photo having one side of length of each 12 centimeter. How much material will Raju be required for this job? Means Raju has a photo that is square in shape, and length of the photo is 12 centimeter. So Raju wants to put this picture into the frame, and you have to find out any material, whatever you will do, whatever you can. So how much material will be required by Raju to put to make a frame for this photo. So each side of the frame is 12 centimeter. So perimeter of the frame is 4 into sides, that is equal to 48 centimeter. So in final answer is the material required for photo is 48 centimeter. Next, G. A boy ran 2 times around a field, the length of which is 62 meter and breadth is 40 meter. Find the distance covered by him. So first you draw the rectangular field, and its length is 62 meter and the breadth is 40 meter. Now, the boy wants to run along this field and he is running. So how much? But he is running 2 times around the field. So how much distance will be covered by the boy? First, you find out the perimeter of this rectangular field, because total length will be find out with the help of the perimeter. So perimeter of the field is 2L plus 2B, that is 2 into 62 meter and 2 into 40 meter, that is 124 meter, and 80 meter, that is equal to 204 meter. So you can say that the perimeter of the field is 204 meter, and boy is running 2 times around this field. So here you can write 204 meter into 2, that is equal to 408 meter. So boy will cover the distance of 400 meter. Then in this way you can find out the total distance of the boy that is covered by him. In this way you can do the whole sum following this method. Next question. Tina ran around a rectangular garden of length 12 meters and breadth 8 meters. Next, Mina ran around a square field of side 11 meter. Who covered more distance and by how much? Miss Tina and Mina both are running around the garden. Now, but there is a difference that Tina is running along the rectangular field while Mina is running around the square field. So, who will run more? So, first, Tina is running around this field. So, first you find out the perimeter of the field which is covered by Tina. So, here look, length of the garden is 12 meter and breadth of the garden is 8 meter. So perimeter of the garden is 2L plus 2B, that is equal to 24 meter and 16 meter, that is 40 meter. Next step, second step, you can say that Mina. In case of Mina, she is running along the square field and each side of the field is 11 meter. So side of the square field is 11 meter and perimeter of the field is 4 into sides, that is equal to 44 meter. Naturally, 44 meter is greater than 40 meter. So Mina covered more distance than Tina. But how much distance Mina covered more, that you can find out, that is after subtracting. So 44 meter is greater than 40 meter. So you subtract 40 meter from 44 meter, that is equal to 4 meter. So you can say that Meena covered more distance by 4 meter. Students, already I have given all the answers of worksheet 3, and I think now it is very clear to you. No problem. So with the help of process, with the help of slides, you can practice the worksheet 3 again and again. Now it's the time of classwork. So many questions I am going to give you. I have presented in this slide. So all of you will write the question. First read the question, then write the question, and then try to solve all the problem sums of given which is given in this slide. And I think you can do now it yourself. After classwork, it's the time of homework. So homework is given here. So many pictures are given and its length is also given. Now, whatever the present picture is here, rectangular or square, measurement of each and every side is given and you have to find out the perimeter of the given picture. I think you can do it yourself. Once again, so many pictures are given, figures are given here with the measurement, and you have to find out calculate the perimeter of each and every figure. So all of you will draw this figure in your copy with the help of a scale, then write down the measurement of each sides, then calculate the perimeter. These all are about the methods of the sums and homework and classwork. I think now there is no problem. Very clear concept I have given to you and all of you are now have mastered on it. Now you can do it. Next day I will give you the answers of the following questions. Okay, have a nice day.